Hey guys, welcome to my channel. In this video I will share with you how I made these delicious chocolate covered almonds with a chocolate and cinnamon coating. For this recipe I used cinnamon powder, chocolate and almonds. Place a heat-proof bowl with chocolate over a pan with simmering water. Allow the chocolate to melt and stir occasionally. So the next step takes quite some time, but I find it quite therapeutic. Put the almonds in the chocolate. You can put it in one by one or you can just pour it in all together. All that matters is that the whole almond is covered in chocolate. Use a fork to take the almonds out. Using a fork allows any excess chocolate to drizzle off. Put the chocolate covered almonds on a lined sheet or tray and refrigerate until the chocolate solidifies. While the almonds are in the fridge, sift the cocoa powder into a bowl and add cinnamon powder. Mix the two together and put it in a zip locker bag. So these are the almonds out of the fridge. As you can see, the chocolate has solidified. So I'm going to scrape it off the sheet and put it in a zip locker bag with cocoa powder and cinnamon. Shake it for a minute and take the chocolate covered almonds out with a slotted spoon. And there you have it. Hey there, if you like this chocolate covered almond video, make sure to give it a thumbs up, and you might actually like this chocolate cake recipe video, or you might like this other video. As always, don't forget to like this video and subscribe, and I will see you in my next one. Bye guys.